The saying goes that you will find love when you least expect it. And that is exactly how it was for us. From that moment on, since we first got together, you have made me feel so loved, wanted, and needed. The way you make me feel is how everyone should feel, and I vow to try and make you feel that same way every single day.
Jordan, from the moment I met you, I felt a connection that I had never felt before, and I can remember thinking you were exactly what I imagined myself being with. Every dream came true when I met you. You truly have a heart of gold, and I know no matter what, I can count on you to drop everything to support me.
Cold. When you feel tired and alone, what's it take to make you strong? What's it take to make you strong? I was running, hiding, fighting, trying to find a place to go. My only love. I was fighting, felt divided, searching for a path to follow. My only love. Oh, you were with me all along. Wake me up to sunny side. Pick me up to make me strong. My only love, my only
When we came to Whistler on our first trip together, I also remember thinking, this is it. You are it. You are my person. You always say we make the best team, and I couldn't imagine choosing anyone else to be by my side.
You always have my back, no matter how I am feeling. You are my best friend in all things, and I wouldn't have it any other way.
Today and always, I'm so lucky to have found you. I love you.
I was running, hiding, fighting, trying to find a place to go. My only love. I was fighting, felt divided, searching for a path to follow. My only love.
Welcome to Kadance and Jordon's wedding ceremony. These are the hands that will love you and cherish you, and with the slightest touch, comfort you like no other. These are the hands that are holding yours on your wedding day, as you two promise to love each other, today, tomorrow, and forever.
Cadance came home on the weekend. She'd been out with her friends, and she's like, this little smile on her face, and I'm like, where are you going? And she's like, to a friend, to a boyfriend.
We could see the happiness she brought to you. Dad and I thought, could this be the one?
It didn't take many visits with Kadance and Jordon to see that they had captured one another's hearts.
After Kadance and Gemma moved in with you and we got to know her, we thought, yep, this could be the one. This is the one.
I am very happy for you and happy that you brought Kadance into our lives.
I received a message from Jordon asking if I had a moment to talk. And I quote, I want to run something by you.
You became husband and wife today, but more importantly, stay best friends.
I was on the fence because one of my toxic traits in life is thinking no one is good enough for my friends. But he really proved me wrong.
But I knew from the first time Jordan spoke of you, there was definitely something special there.
Who knew the secret to a successful marriage was being able to share shoes and clothes because you're the same size? You bring out the absolute best in each other, and for that I am truly happy and I am truly thankful that you both have each other.
They say that true love is the recognition of the potential in your partner. I think it's safe to say that today you have both acknowledged the endless potential you share together. Whatever your future holds for you both, I wish you all the best. I love you guys.
May your life be filled with love and laughter from today and now and forever after.
Your sunlit face feels like a handful of silk now. I'm in your warm embrace. Oh, I hope this feeling lasts till the oceans turn to glass and the world around us turns and fades to black. Together we'll hold back the sun in this moment forever young. Against the stream of time we'll run, baby. We'll hold back the sun.
You are such a beautiful, strong, caring, and determined individual and strive to always be better, which in turn makes me want to be a better man.
You have allowed me to be the truest and best form of myself. You are kind, caring, passionate, and sentimental, and it fits so perfectly into every aspect of my life.
We have waited a long time for this day, and I couldn't have waited another day for you to be my wife. I love you.